Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to build a salary sheet in Excel from scratch. We'll cover everything from setting up employee information to calculating net pay with simple formulas. First, let's launch Excel and start by entering the basic employee information. You'll want to include things like employee name, ID, department, and position right at the top of your sheet. Go ahead and populate all those fields with the specific details for each employee. Make sure everything is entered accurately, since this forms the foundation of your salary sheet. Here's where you'll add the financial components. Enter all the earnings like base salary and allowances, then add any deductions such as taxes or insurance premiums. To get the final net pay, we'll use a simple formula. Just type equals, then your total earnings cell minus your total deductions cell, and hit enter. In this example, that's B17 minus D17. Perfect! The calculated result you see here represents the employee's final take-home pay after all earnings and deductions have been processed. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a complete salary sheet in Excel. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again if you need a refresher.